Hey everyone, let me tell you something that changed how I deal with fridge odors forever. You do not need another box of baking soda or fancy deodorizer. What you actually need is to find and eliminate the source of the smell first. Here is the biggest mistake most people make. They smell something funky in the fridge and immediately reach for a deodorizer. But that is like spraying air freshener in a room with a dead mouse in the wall. You are just masking the problem, not solving it. Let me explain why your fridge smells in the first place. Bacteria and mold love moisture and organic matter. When food spills, leaks, or goes bad, these microorganisms start breaking it down and releasing gases. Those gases are what you smell. No deodorizer can stop bacteria from producing more smell. The first thing you need to do is completely empty your refrigerator. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but trust me on this. Take everything out, and I mean everything. Put perishables in a cooler with ice packs while you work. Now check every single item before putting it back. Look at expiration dates. Open containers and smell them. That leftover pasta from 2 weeks ago? Toss it. That jar of pickles that has been sitting there since last summer? Check it. Be ruthless. Here is where most odors actually hide, and you probably never clean here. Pull out all the drawers and shelves. Underneath and behind them is where spills accumulate and mold grows. I guarantee you will find something suspicious there. Take those removable parts to your sink and wash them with warm soapy water. Use regular dish soap, nothing fancy needed. For stubborn spots, let them soak for about 10 minutes. Make sure to dry them completely before putting them back. Now for the inside walls and surfaces of your fridge. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 quart of warm water. This is way more effective than just placing an open box inside. The solution actually cleans and neutralizes odors at the same time. Use a clean cloth or sponge to wipe down every surface inside. Do not forget the sealing of the fridge, the door shelves, and especially the rubber gasket around the door. That gasket traps so much gunk and is a major odor source that people overlook. Here is something you should never do. Do not use bleach or harsh chemical cleaners inside your fridge. These can leave behind residues that contaminate your food and create their own unpleasant smells. Stick with baking soda solution or plain white vinegar. Check your drip pan. Most refrigerators have a drip pan underneath that catches condensation. Pull out your fridge and look for it near the compressor at the bottom back. This thing can get absolutely disgusting and is often the mystery smell source nobody thinks about. Clean that drip pan with hot soapy water and dry it thoroughly. If it is really bad, soak it in a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar for 30 minutes. Some newer fridges have sealed drip pans, so check your manual if you cannot find yours. Another spot people miss is the ice maker and water dispenser area if you have one. Mold loves to grow in these moist environments. Wipe down all accessible parts and run a few cycles of ice and discard them to flush out any buildup. Now let us talk prevention so you do not have to do this again every month. Store foods in airtight containers. Wipe up spills immediately when they happen. Keep your fridge temperature at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit to slow bacterial growth. Do a quick fridge audit every week, maybe on trash day so it is easy to remember. Check for expired items and anything that looks or smells off. This 5-minute habit prevents major odor problems from developing. Also keep raw meat on the bottom shelf to prevent drips onto other food. Now, after you have done all this cleaning, then you can use a deodorizer if you want. An open box of baking soda or a small dish of activated charcoal works great for absorbing minor everyday odors. But remember, these are for maintenance, not for fixing an existing smell problem. Go tackle that fridge today and thank me later.